Hello students, this is April the 9th. This is the session. What I'm going to do is tell you what's due tomorrow and then next week, and then I'm going to run some videos related to the content. Taylor, I'm going to go over the assignments for the engineering AB and B class that are due April 10th, and in some cases thereafter. Okay. So first off, the AB students, the 18 and 16 week, you are going to be finishing up the manufacturing unit. You're going to get a grip, build an end effector project, which is actually a pretty fun thing to do. You're basically building a gripper. It's basically building a model of a gripper that's used to pick up a bottle. And you have the discussion and the quiz. Remember to review all the challenge questions prior to taking the quiz, okay? Then the other thing you have is a bigger project than the gripper. So you got two big projects. One of them, this is the biomedical design challenge project. In this case, it's similar to building a gripper, but you are actually doing some research and building a model of a device that can help someone with osteoarthritis specifically to plug and unplug from an electrical outlet. Okay, kind of an odd thing to do, but if you think about it, you'll realize the muscles for gripping and pinching and all that can be very difficult for someone who doesn't have that capability anymore because of the pain and the damaged nerves. Okay, the 12-week section. You are doing the whole power and energy technologies module. That is the mousetrap car project, where you're building a mousetrap car and you are testing it with different changes and noting the changes in each. So you finish the worksheet out and submit the information, including pictures, please. The energy type worksheet is a Venn diagram where you're grouping the different energies to see which one are kinetic and potential and which ones can apply in either case, and also answering questions about energy conversion in specific situations. Then the energy discussion on nuclear energy that requires to do some research on nuclear energy, which we all live in these times, and to be very aware of different technologies and the advantages and disadvantages of them, and nuclear is certainly one of those that we need to know. So that you create a poster and you make a discussion about that and respond to two others. Excuse me. And then you're going to go back and review all the challenge questions again and then take the quiz. Then you're starting in the manufacturing unit and looking at the significance of manufacturing technologies that have been made. You're not going through history as much as the history, what devices were made when, as much as what difference those things made in our society. Okay, for the engineering B class, the 18 and 16-week sessions. Actually, I'm showing you next week's after the break, and then the 17th. Both of these are assignments that take a lot of work. The scale floor plan project actually will require you to go in and draw a bird's eye view of a floor plan of a room. It can be your bedroom, it can be a kitchen, it can be classroom, and you'll see the information you need in there. You're going to have to make it a scale drawing. Remember, you're working scale factors here. You may say that 1 inch equals, I don't know, a foot, or 1 inch equals 3 feet, or something like that on your drawing. You have to size it to a paper, 8.5 by 11 paper. And I'm giving you instructions for that in the video within the unit, okay? You need to plan on multiple days to do this, and it is a lot of work. The following week, you have another assignment that you plan on multiple days and a lot of work. Basically, it's a bridge design project. You're going to download the Bridge Builder software and build basically go through the software and design different types of bridges for the software. You'll be answering questions for that, and also you're going to do a presentation on a bridge. Okay, so these will take a little bit of time. I think both of these are very much fun assignments to do. I would do them again. Okay, the 12-week group, transportation and construction. You have the same as the others. Well, okay. April 10th for the intermodal design, not the 17th. I believe that is correct. Yes, it is correct that the intermodal design discussion is April the 10th. And then the following week, so you need to start reading all that. And then you heard the story on these other two. And just like the 16 and the 18 week, your schedule is spaced out to give you a week to work on each one of these because they do take time. Do not get behind. Do not get behind. These are both big things. So if you have any questions, folks, contact me. I hope you have a good spring break. Bye. Now, to be complete, let's go ahead and go through what's due a week from tomorrow on April the 17th.